Okay, so this is a dust storm. Las Vegas dust storm. There's like right there, see right there? There should be a mountain there. There's no mountain. And the winds are kicking up. We've got sustained, they said like 32 to 40 mile an hour sustained winds, and we have gusts up to almost hurricane force. This is crazy. I haven't seen wind like this in years. We're under a dust warning right now, and allergies are going crazy. Mine not so much at this very moment because I took some meds for it, but it's pretty crazy. It's really bad out here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's like this really haunting whistling sound coming from the wind. But yeah, so see, like right here, there's supposed to be a mountain. It goes up about to this height right here, and then it comes back down. And we are about, I don't know, less than 2 or 3 miles from that mountain, and you can't see it because of the dust storm. That's how bad it is out here. But yeah, the wind kicking up is pretty bad. So, hooray for us. They told us not to go out. They told us not to travel. They told us to stay in, the weather service, and I just got a warning on my phone saying that there's a dust warning out. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait it out and hopefully my house doesn't blow away. So yeah, that's it.